In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subscribe button on video in CapCut PC. If you want to remind viewers to follow your content and help grow your channel with a clean, animated call to action, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. The nice thing about CapCut on PC is that you do not need to design a subscribe graphic from scratch. The app already includes ready-made animated stickers with transparent backgrounds, so they can sit neatly on top of your footage without covering the whole screen. To begin, move your mouse to the top left area of the CapCut workspace and click on the Stickers tab. This is where CapCut stores its built-in animated graphic elements. Once that panel opens, look at the very top of it and click inside the search bar so you can quickly find the exact type of sticker you need instead of scrolling through everything manually. Now type subscribe into the search field and press enter on your keyboard. CapCut will filter the sticker library and show you a grid of results below. You should see several different animated subscribe button styles here, so take a second to choose one that fits the look of your video. When you find one you like, hover your cursor over it and click the blue plus icon in the corner. As soon as you do that, CapCut will automatically place the sticker onto your timeline as a yellow track block above your main video, usually on track 2. Next, you'll want to make sure the button looks natural on screen and does not feel oversized or distracting. Click once on the yellow sticker block in the timeline to select it, then move up to the preview window in the center of the screen. You'll see a bounding box around the sticker with blue circular handles on the corners. Click and drag one of those corner handles inward to scale the subscribe button down until it feels balanced with the rest of your frame. After resizing it, click directly on the graphic in the preview window and drag it into position. A lower middle area of the screen usually works really well because it keeps the call to action visible without getting in the way of your main subject. This placement tends to look clean, professional, and easy for viewers to notice. And that's it. You've searched the sticker assets, added the subscribe button to the timeline, and positioned it neatly on your video. Your animated subscribe overlay is now ready to help support your channel growth in a simple, polished way.